I think our camera may have turned off.
11 o'clock at about 2 miles.
I didn't turn on the battery.
Speed type unknown.
Looking through track 638.
Journey 6.
That would be helpful.
Turning it on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oceanside traffic, career track 316 over, flying the field at 1,200.
That's Oceanside traffic.
Northeast, climbing to 4,000 on heading 130.
How good is that?
Yeah.
Oceanside traffic, 242 is turning east from Banner, pick up practice in Oceanside.
Yeah, so you don't want to go down that valley. You don't want to go down that valley. That valley is less or don't want to go down.
Yeah.
That one you really don't.
Is really...
Oceanside
that one still sucks.
316.
This is your guy right here.
Northeast, climbing out at 1,500. Last call. Deal. Oceanside, Cessna 242, flying on runway 25. Banner pickup practice, Oceanside.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 835, 10 miles to the southwest, inbound via Southwest Valley. Look at that, that's so cool. How freaking cool. That's been forever since I've been up here.
Yeah.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 835, 8 miles to the west, descending through 9,000, inbound from the Southwest Valley, Big Bear.
Weird, but...
What's that?
It's gonna be a little weird thing in the part of the video. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, people just skiing over there. Right down there.
Yeah.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, descending through 9,000 over the dam, Big Bear.
Oceanside, Cessna 242, turning crossway in the runway 25, Banner pickup practice, Oceanside. Ocean side, right downwind, Cessna 242, center pick up practice, ocean side traffic.
So cool. Look at the freaking mountains. Oh my god. We found snow.
Yeah. A little bit different than SoCal right now. Or where we are at least.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, 5 miles to the west, entering left downwind, runway 26, Big Bear.
Automated weather observation 2119er. Zulu weather wind 220 at 6 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 13 Celsius dew point -7 altimeter 3018 remarks density altitude 7,800. Big Bear City Airport.
Oh, look at them all skiing.
Yeah. See if you can get a shot.
19er. Zulu weather wind 220 at 7 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 13 Celsius
Cool.
dew point -7 altimeter 3018.
Look like little ants.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, left downwind, runway 26, Big Bear. Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, midfield, left downwind, 26, Big Bear. All right, coming up, beam the numbers. Want to go around the school per noise abatement. This thing slowed down here. Pretty quiet up here too. Okay, lights are coming on. Mixture is set for best power. Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, turning left base, runway 26, Big Bear. Looks good.
Yep.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, turning final, runway 26, Big Bear. Yeah, those trees are pretty intimidating.
Yeah. Definitely.
Ideally don't want to have to depart in that direction at night.
No. Terrible.
Okay, density altitude is pretty high still. Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, short final, runway 26, Big Bear. better. Do a little ready for landing wiggle. Light winds, looking good.
Hooray! That's what it sounds like.
Yeah.
One of those little party.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, departing 26 at Echo, Big Bear. Okay. Cleared right, cleared left. What a cool freaking thing, man. Would have really enjoyed having the wing camera working for that, but thank you for offering
Your
camera operation. It's actually, having the camera on the departure is way cooler than on the arrival, so.
Yep. Yep.
For whatever that is worth.
I remembered. Plug in the battery.
Well, the battery's plugged in, I sometimes forget that you have to turn that one on.
Oh.
Most of those little battery packs, you just like plug it in and they work.
Is it the one that I got?
No.
Have a rat.
Okay, so